How to turn off parental control on iPhone to download apps. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off parental control on iPhone to download apps. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Inside, choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle the switch to turn off content and privacy restrictions. If needed, you can turn it back on later. Next, go to the section for App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Finally, tap on Web Content, select Unrestricted Access, and switch off the content and privacy restrictions again if it's still on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.